Play therapy has a wide scope. When it comes to mental health issues, play therapy in children can be used for children who are going through depression, anxiety, separation anxiety disorders, post traumatic disorders such as PTSDs, acute stress disorders, adjustment disorders, where the child is facing a lot of problems in adjusting to life stressors, life stressors such as parental separation or death or simple stresses of life where the child has to change the school. So all these conditions where a child is going through anxiety, depression, play therapy is very well indicated. It is also indicated in conditions such as oppositional defiant disorders. But not just that, even for teens and youngsters, play therapy is indicated where they are facing issues with body image, self image, confidence, self esteem problems. Everywhere, play therapy has a significant role to play. When it comes to adults, again, and adults too, to deal with depression, PTSD. Many times, an adult who is going through anxiety problems, play therapy can be helpful. And when it comes to geriatric age group, specifically, even those cases where the person is facing neurological conditions such as dementia, Alzheimer's, certain types of play can help the person to keep on maintaining their cognitive functions. And again, apart from that, they are also not immune from emotional disorders such as PTSDs and depression and anxiety. So for them also, play therapy can be extremely beneficial. Speaking about the mental health problems, even the age groups, we know now that it is indicated for all kinds of emotional and behavioral problems, irrespective of age. And last but not the least, there are specific situations. For example, we have children who might have undergone severe domestic abuse or sexual abuse for that matter, leaving them traumatized in a very deeper ways. They could have been living in orphanages, NGOs. All the children coming over there might be suffering from things like reactive attachment disorders or disinhibited social engagement disorders. All these are jargons actually, but point being that in all these scenarios where the child is facing difficulty in being able to relate with people around them, being able to take control of his emotions, being able to think rationally, all these are the areas where play therapy gets indicated very much. Okay. Apart from that, children who are going through major medical problems, those who are facing terminal illnesses, life limiting conditions, they also suffer a lot because they're missing out on major areas or aspects of their life. They are missing out on playing, they're missing out in their academics, they are missing out when it comes to socializing, meeting people. They're just not living their normal life, and that triggers a lot of emotional problems in the children. They suffer anger outbursts, temper tantrums. They are very, very uncooperative with the treatment of their illnesses. They are struggling with the fear of death. They are struggling with the fear of painful procedures. And to help them deal with all these procedures, play therapy again comes into picture. Simple things like helping them via simple things like explaining these children about a particular procedure which they're extremely scared of by using puppets play and a pretend play can help them relieve their fears and be better cooperative towards the treatment procedures, thus even increasing the positive outcome of the treatment itself. Plus, we know that mind and body is not separate. So if psychologically they are in a better shape, physically the illness that they're suffering from is also going to be in a at a point where they can recover from it quickly. So play therapy in hospital settings helps a lot. Again, as I mentioned, even in old age homes, the people who are put in old age homes, they themselves have nobody with whom they can connect, they can bond, they can express their sufferings, be they can be free to talk about what they are going through when they're put up in that old age home. So even people who are into old age homes, play therapy helps them to relieve their emotional turmoil and be able to have a better quality of life in those terms. So let's not forget, play therapy is quite universal and it has a very, very wide range of scope. Wherever you want to use it, innovatively, you can use it.